Hello everybody, it is Elijah Bryant III. Today I'm going to be teaching you exactly what Forex is. Everybody's been hearing about it, you're wanting to find out how to get into it, so here we go. The Forex market is foreign exchange. It's pretty simple. Everybody's heard of the Wolf of Wall Street, right? And they're like, oh yeah, I'm going to be the Wolf of Wall Street. No, you're not, especially not in the Forex market, hopefully. The foreign exchange market is completely different from the stock market. Kind of think of Nike and Reebok. So you have two shoe brands, but they're both shoes, right? Forex is F-O-R, that equals foreign. Handwriting, not the best. Trading is. X equals exchange. Foreign exchange. So instead of you being in the stock market and you're trading stocks and shares of companies, in the foreign exchange market, we're actually trading currency. Ironically, that's like a stock or a share of a country, right? Anybody that's ever traveled, and for those of you that haven't yet, whenever you do travel, you're going to have something called an exchange rate. If you go to Tokyo, you're going to exchange your currency, United States dollar in my case, for the Japanese yen. Those exchange rates are how we make money. Not through the mail. You don't have to actually have the money in your hands. No, we're doing this through an app called MetaTrader 4, or for short, MT4. If you look up any free resources, it's a reason why it's free, but if you look up any free resources, they'll tell you about MetaTrader 4. This is basically the app that houses all of the brokers. In the Forex market, a broker is the casino. They are the bad guy. In the stock market, the broker's your friend. They're supposed to be the good guy. So you're the broker in the Forex market that you're actually going against. You're going into and you're trading against, and if you lose, you lose the money to them. If you win, you take the money from them, right? So just remember that difference. Again, whenever you're trading in the foreign exchange industry, then you're thinking about what might happen in a country. You can think of the economy, or you can look at technical analysis, which is market structure. So you have technical traders, and then you have what's called, and I'm just going to start just abbreviating here, fundamental traders. A fundamental trader focuses on world news, economy, events like that. And then the technical trader focuses on the market structure, the patterns. A lot of people think it takes a lot, like, you know, all the schooling and different things to trade this. It doesn't. I've been trading for 7 years and been doing so very successfully. Thank you to my God, Jesus Christ. But in the foreign exchange market, 99% of people lose, on a consistent basis. That's a big number. I want to write that. 99% of people lose in this market. Why? Because they're all focused on winning. Win, 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 win. I don't know if you've ever been in a street fight, but I've been in a lot of street fights. And at the end of the day, whenever you're squaring up to fight, you need to be able to get punched in the mouth. So that's why it's very important for you to learn how to get punched in the mouth, so then you can lose with dignity and know how to come back to fight more. Most people only know how to win. They're only taught how to win, and they're only taught a skill set. You have Allen Iverson. Best pound for pound player ever, a lot of people would say, right? That's a skill set. Kobe Bryant actually didn't have a lot of skill, but he had a mentality. And that's what made him work harder to be able to eclipse, to get 5 rings instead of 0 rings. So you have to decide right now whether you're going to be Allen Iverson with a lot of skill, or if you're going to be Kobe Bryant that works on skill and have mentality. I would suggest you be the Black Mamba. Different types of traders, foreign exchange market. MetaTrader 4 is what we use. A broker is what you're going to have to get and be able to go against. And I think that's really everything you need to know in a nutshell about foreign exchange. Now keep in mind, these exchange rates don't have to change drastically in order for you to be able to make money. Just fractions of a penny can literally make you thousands, millions, all this types of money. I'm not saying that you're going to be a trillionaire, but if you do become one, I like gold and I like friends that give gifts, and I need some trillionaire friends, so holla at your boy. But whenever you're looking at the whole grand scheme of things, understand that this market is a 5 to 7. I don't know why I write my 7s like that. I taught myself to do that in like 2nd grade, and I kept doing it. $7 trillion per day market. That's very important for me to add really quickly, because a lot of people, again, Wolf of Wall Street, they think about penny stocks, they think about shares. All these people know about the stock market. Not many people know about the foreign exchange market. And the thing is, if more people did, then they would understand that you can get in for a very low amount of capital. The foreign exchange market, I've seen literally where you can start accounts with $1. I am not kidding. See, you're gonna make a lot of money off of that. But some brokers literally accept $1. Others, $25, $50 on up, right? And the thing is, you have something called leverage. And this leverage allows for you to be able to make way more money than you should be able to make. Don't cut that out of the video, because I do make mistakes. I am not a robot. So the money that you can make is based off of your leverage. You would not be able to make this type of money going against banks, all right? I don't want to say crazy names and get you all mixed up. Going against banks and going against other retail traders and these different institutions, you would never be able to stand up with a small amount of capital. But this leverage allows you to be able to do so. So you can have a very small amount of capital versus a stock market where you couldn't. Now, another thing is the stock market, remember, I'll just do Forex. $5 to $7 trillion per day. In the stock market, New York Stock Exchange, it does 24 billion per day. T is bigger than B. You have a lot more of an opportunity to make money in this market, because everything boils down to money. If you buy a stock or a share of something, if a company or a country raises tariffs on another country or something, it all comes down to money. And that's why the foreign exchange market has a lot more going on a daily basis versus a stock exchange market. So again, my name is Elijah Bryant, and I think that you should sign up with me. I think that's what I think you should do. But please start trading Forex with someone. Start learning Forex from someone. This is a skill that literally can change your life. 7 years ago, I was making $7 an hour selling Rue 21 cologne. I Rue, do you. It's definitely something that has changed my life, and I hope that you guys will take the time to dive deeper into it. And look below for any type of links that you'll be able to contact me with. I'm looking forward to hearing from you. God bless. I love you all. But wait, there's more. I forgot one thing, and it's a very quintessential thing to mention to you, because a lot of people say, I don't have time for this, right? So at the end of the day, yes, you do. I have people that are my clients and students, people that are in my trade rooms that copy my trading strategy and all these different things, that have 5 kids. Go to school full time. They're Ghostbusters part time. Like literally, like they do all kinds of stuff at the end of the day. They do missions trips in Japan, and they have the time. You have the time. Please don't take yourself out of this game before you ever stick your toe in the water. You have the time. It does not take much time at all for this, and you don't have to sit and have a million computers. This computer isn't even plugged up. I don't use that computer. I use my telephone to trade. You don't have to have a laptop. You don't have all of those excuses. Get done with them right now and try this, all right? You don't have to have the time, because there's something called a stop loss and a take profit. Once you learn this, or once you're trading with someone of my caliber, then you'd be able to set your stop loss or your take profit. That means stop, because I don't want to lose no more, or I'm good, let me secure my bag. So you can go to sleep. You can be chilling. You can be Netflix and chilling. I don't know. Do what you do. You can Netflix and chill and have your trade going, and it can hit your take profit. You look at your phone and you still made your money. So cut the excuse of not having time. I just had to say that because I could hear you. I wish I had the time for this, and you do. Speak to you soon.